So as I've been personally just feeling better, I've just been noticing I'd probably enjoy being in my laundry room more if I felt like it was a little bit more of a welcoming environment. Well, hey guys, I'm so glad that you're here again. I just wanted to share a really fun DIY hack that I've been hearing about lately. I myself have been tackling our laundry room lately. This room used to be kind of, well, it still kind of is a man cave, but it looked like a man cave. The walls were painted black. Don't ask me why. It just was. It was a phase we were in, I guess. And so, forgive me for being judgmental, but having black walls and cobwebs and lots of grubby dirt in the shower just wasn't really conducive for me to enjoy being in this room. And if you have a family or if you wear clothes, you know you have to do laundry and you have to kind of be in the bathroom. So anyways, today I wanted to show you a really fun do-it-yourself hack to make your own drill brush. Now, if you've never heard of a drill brush, it's basically you can buy separate pieces that you just install into your own electric drill. It just inserts right in there, like where you would put your bit, and you just have some extra scrubbing power if you want to scrub hard water off of your shower doors, if you just got lots of grub and grime. My husband, bless him, I love him so much and he works so hard for us, but he has a dirty job. He works as a machinist, and so his clothes are just really thick with grease. He has just, his hands are darkened because of having his hands in machines, and it's a dirty job, and so his shower reflects that. It just gets dirty really fast. And I personally have some chronic pain issues and in my hands as well. It kind of hurts to grasp sponges and things hard and have to scrub a lot. So when I heard about this, I was really excited and I wanted to share it with you too in case you've never heard of this. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to go to the dollar store, Walmart, whatever. Our new dollar store in our area, this was like, I think $2.50. Just for a cheap little toilet brush actually is what it is. And it comes with a little holder. And I don't trust myself with power tools at all, so I had my husband get his jigsaw, and he said you could also use a hacksaw if you don't have the electric capabilities, but he just set it down and he turned the jigsaw and he just zipped off the end, and this little skinny tip fits perfectly inside of his electric drill. And so I was so excited. And I mean, I'm not going to lie, there's still a little effort involved because an electric drill itself is a little bit heavy. So you do still have to move that around. But the amount of scrubbing I would have had to do to get this shower clean that I didn't have to do, I am so thankful for. So if you want to get yourself some extra scrubbing power, but you don't really want to fork out the money or wait around to order or find a fancy drill brush with all the attachments, and you just kind of want to go on the cheap, this is a great option for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little cleaning hack, and I hope that it helps you. I had a lot of fun with it, cleaning our very dirty shower, and it looks so nice now. I might even actually use it instead of hiding up in the family bathroom in our upstairs of our house. This room has kind of been the dungeon or the man cave or the place where nobody goes. Our kids don't come down here. They just don't. It kind of turned into a storage room, and it's just kind of, we just kind of have let it go because there's other more important spaces in our home that we wanted to, you know, keep nice looking. So this room has been neglected for long enough, and I'm really excited about how things are going. Just a really quick peek. We put in some cabinets. We didn't really have any storage in here. I had this print already. My husband made me this awesome little do-it-yourself wooden folding table that's right above the dryer, so I can just take things out and set it all up here, dry it, and then you can see we still got some laundry over here in our washing machine. And yeah, it's just, I've been having a lot of fun, and I didn't actually mean to show you this tour right now, but I'm gonna because I'm excited about it. So we still have some stuff to do. We're gonna probably replace the toilet at some point. That's not working real great. He's gonna install some racks here to hold several laundry baskets. And then here's our lovely shower that I scoured and cleaned. I painted everything a very pale blue color just to try to brighten things up a little bit. We might replace this later. But yeah, for the most part, we really just used things that we already had laying around the house. The only thing that we bought, aside from the paint, was I did get these cabinets on Amazon, and I will put a link to those below. And my husband spent maybe, he said between 12 and 15 bucks to get the materials for the wood for my little do-it-yourself folding table. He just measured it for the amount of space I had, and mine's a little bigger because I actually have one of these little drawers next to it, so it made my table a little bigger, which I love. And I can ask him what the sizes of these boards are, and I will put that into the comments as well so that you know. And basically he just put these together, and he drilled, going up from the bottom to hold things in place. And I think I feel some on the back of here too to connect these. And yeah, he worked it together really fast while I was scrubbing and cleaning and doing other things in this room. So at some point we would like to, the floor is cement, and we would like to add something on in here so that the floor is not so frigid cold. That's my other reason why I don't like coming down here a lot. This is in a basement, and it's obviously, it's not a finished basement. We just painted, cement blocks. So it is a colder room, and it totally works. So, yeah, I hope you were blessed by these tips and by this reveal. I'm so excited about it, and it's amazing. I just feel like it's a special place now. This room that was just kind of tucked away and it didn't really get any love, and now I really enjoy being down here. It was kind of a labor of love. My husband and I just, we worked together to just make it special and make it work for our needs. And now I really enjoy being down here. And, you have to do laundry, so you might as well enjoy being there. If all you do is even just give it a fresh coat of paint, I mean, yeah, that takes some time, but paint's really not that expensive. And we actually got really cheap paint from Walmart, which maybe I wouldn't totally recommend because we had to do several coats to make it actually look good because it went over black, right? But I mean, I like the color. At first I wasn't sure about it because it looked white, but you can see now with the cabinets, you can see that kind of like that pale blue, that's actually the color that I meant to go with, kind of that farmhouse feel, and I really love it. And so I just hope that you guys are blessed today, and you were blessed by these tips and by what we got going on, and maybe even you yourself will be encouraged to do something new with maybe your laundry room or bathroom or some neglected room in your home that just needs a little extra life in it so that you can enjoy being inside of it again. God bless you guys, and I hope to see you again next time.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.